குட் மார்னிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம நைன்த் சாப்டர் பார்க்குறோம். ஏன்னா நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக்லி டெஸ்ட் வந்துன்னா இதான் அதுக்கான போர்ஷன். டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் மூவ்மெண்ட் பார்ப்போம். டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டைப் ஆஃப் மூவ்மெண்ட் that occur in cells our body are amoeboid, ciliary, flagellar and muscular movement. First one, amoeboid movement. Cells such as macrophages exhibit the amoeboid movement for engulfing the pathogen by the pseudopodia formed by the streaming movement of the cytoplasm. Second one, ciliary movement. This type of movement occur in the respiratory passage and genital tract, so lined with the ciliated epithelial cells. The next one, flagellar movement. This type of movement occur in the cell that are having flagella or whip-like motile organism. The sperm cells show the flagellar movement. The next one, muscular movement. Movement of hands, legs, jaw, tongue are caused by the contraction and relaxation of the muscle. This is termed as a muscular movement. The next one, types of muscle. Muscle are specialized tissues which are derived from embryonic mesoderm. They are made up of cells that are called myocytes. They constitute 40 to 50% of the body weight in adult. These cells are bound together by the connective tissue to form a muscular tissue. The muscles are classified into three types, namely skeletal, visceral, and cardiac muscle. The first one, skeletal muscle, otherwise known as voluntary muscle. Skeletal muscle is attached to the bone by a bundle of collagen fiber known as tendon. Each muscle is made up of bundle of muscle fiber called fascicle. Each muscle fiber contains hundreds of thousands of rod-like structures that are called myofibril that run parallel to length. The connective tissue covering the whole muscle that is known as epimysium. The covering around the fascicle is called perimysium and muscle fiber is now surrounded by that is called endomysium. The control of voluntary actions such as walking, running, swimming, and writing and termed as voluntary muscle. The next, structure of skeletal muscle fiber. Each muscle fiber is thin and elongated. Most of them taper one or both end. Muscle fiber has multiple oval nuclei just beneath the plasma membrane or sarcolemma. The cytoplasm of muscle fiber that is called sarcoplasm. It contains glycosomes, myoglobin, and sarcoplasmic reticulum. Myoglobin is a red-colored respiratory pigment of the muscle fiber. It is similar to hemoglobin and contains ion group and affinity towards the oxygen serve as a reservoir of the oxygen. What is glycosome? Glycosome as a granule stored in the glycogen particle provide the glucose during the period of muscle fiber activity. Actin, myosin, also muscle protein present in the muscle fiber. Along the length of muscle fiber, there are repeated series dark and light bond, A bond and light bond, I bond, and isotropic bond. So perfectly aligned with another. This type arrangement gives a cell striate apparatus. பனி போன்ற அமைப்பு காமிக்கிறது. Each dark bond has a light region is a middle called H zone. H means hellas, means clear. Each H zone is bisected vertically by the dark line and the M line middle. Right one have darker and is a disk. So structure of muscle fiber. The myofibril contain contrasted element sarcomere is functional unit of skeletal muscle. The sarcomere region is a myofibril between the two successive Z disc contain a bond with a half I bond and each end. Inside the sarcomere, two types of filament are present, namely thick and thin filament. A thick filament extends the entire length of the A bond, and thin filament extends across the I bond and partially into A bond. The invagination of the sarcolemma forms the transverse tubules that penetrate into the junction between the A and I bond. Muscle terminology. Cell means muscle fiber, myofibril. General term. Muscle equivalent is equal to, that means plasma membrane, also sarcolemma, cytoplasm equal to sarcoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum is equal to sarcoplasmic reticulum. Structure of contractile protein. Contraction of the muscle depend upon the presence of contractile protein such as actin and myosin in the myofilament and சொல்லலாம். The stick filament are composed of the protein myosin which are bundled together whose head produce opposite end of the filament. Each myosin molecule is made up of monomer that is called meromyosin. Note this point, important one. The meromyosin has two regions, is a globular head with the short arm and tail. So the short term constitute heavy meromyosin, that means HMM. Tail portion contains light meromyosin. Head bear the actin binding site and an ATP binding site. It is also contain ATPase enzyme split the ATP molecule and gives the generate the energy for the contraction of the muscle. The thin filament are composed of two intertwined actin molecule. Actin has polypeptide subunit that are called globular actin and G-actin or G-actin. And filamentous form are F-actin. Each thin filament is made up of two F-actin helically wound off to each other. Each F-actin is polymer of monometric G-actin. This also contain binding site for myosin. Thin filament also contains several regulatory protein, thrombosin, thromboyosin, thrombonin, with the help of regulating the muscles with along with the actin and myosin. Okay, students, இது வரைக்கும் இன்றைக்கு பண்ணுங்க. அடுத்த கிளாஸ்ல பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, தேங்க்ஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.